Today I'm going to be showing you the size comparison to the Grom to a pit bike. As you can see, the Grom is a little bit bigger. Seat height's pretty high compared to the BW80. But I wanted to show you something that's cool. See the motor? Well, they're similar. I know this one ain't a Honda, but see, basically what the Grom motor is a 110 Honda pit bike that's been big bored to a 125 from the factory and fuel injected and computerized. So yeah, basically it's a dirt bike with sport bike suspension and body. See, pretty good height difference in the Grom, and being mine, I did raise the suspension on the BW80. So it is a small bike, but the Grom is pretty big for a small bike. Well, I hope you liked it. Have a great day, and subscribe and like and comment if you want. See.